This is mango season. Today we are going to prepare mango chutney. Let's prepare. Now let's look at the ingredients. We need sliced mango and fried gram, grated coconut, curry leaves and one green chili and urud dal and mustard seeds, salt and oil and ink. Now let's prepare the chutney. Let's add mango, let's add fried gram, now let's add grated coconut. Finally, let's add chili. We are done. Let's add water. Let's grind it into paste.
"2,000 years later."
Now we have grind it into paste. Now let's transfer this into bowl. Now pour the oil into pan and wait until it's getting heat. Now let's add curry leaves, mustard seeds and urud dal. Let's toss it. Add little bit ting. Now let's toss it. Now transfer it into bowl. And mix it well. Now the tasty mango chutney is ready. Let's taste it. You can mix it with rice, used as a side dish for dosa, idli and chapati. So bye. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.